Hi Kitty, great day. Today I'm going to draw a ring bell, so let's get started. First, just following with me, draw a curve upwards, a round curve here, and downwards. And stop at here. Now just following with me, draw a line down, and then a curve again to the right, a line down, a curve again to the right. And then a curve again at the bottom. Draw a circle here. Another circle here. A circle, now draw two round big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle, curve inside, with 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a cute ring bell. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.